Welcome to Communication for Human Society, Practice Journal tutorial on Task 6, requesting that which would enrich life. So this is about 1 hour of homework. You're going to answer 4 questions, and there are 6 parts. Recall, give, write, list, recall, and share. In number 1, the first step, I want you to recall an interaction with someone that did not satisfy you. Could be something minor or major, it's up to you. Give one or several requests you made or could have made in this situation using positive action language. You might want to remember SMART, specific, measurable, affirmative, repeatable, and time-bound. Number 2, I want you to write, for the same situation in number 1 above, how you would tell the other person your observation, feeling, and need. And then follow with A, a request for what the listener is feeling, and B, a request for what the listener is thinking. Okay, so maybe an example might be, one night after work, a security guard was sleeping and couldn't let me out of the building. And I was stuck there for 30 minutes, waiting for someone to come to open the door. So that would be an interaction with someone that did not satisfy me. So how would you tell the other person your observation, feeling, and need? So how would I, if I was to say, would you be willing not to sleep during between 10 and 11 p.m. at night until all the professors have left the building? Or would you be willing to give me a way to wake you up in the event that you are asleep so I can get out? Or would you be willing to show me how to open the door without your assistance? Those would be 3 different possible requests. Then after I've shared the request, the security guard would say, I would ask the security guard, would you be willing to tell me how you feel having heard that? Okay, that would be a request for what the listener is feeling. And B, a request for what the listener is thinking. Would you be willing to tell me what you think about what I've said? Okay, oftentimes it's important to ask, what are you feeling and thinking? Because thoughts can really help us get to the feelings and the needs that someone might be having. Number 3, list the 3 types of requests and give an example of each. Now, I'm not going to do the homework for you. So you got to go figure it out, read the chapter, and get to know what are those 3 types of requests. Number 4, I want you to recall something you said, or imagine yourself saying, at a meeting or in a group. Did you make clear what you wanted back? If not, share how you could have done so. So a lot of times in students' lives, you're in a group and something happens in the group and you speak in the group and you wanted something but you didn't make it clear, and because maybe your request was not clear enough or specific enough or smart enough. So share how you could have said something differently that would have made it much better, okay, using what we learned in this chapter. All right, that's it. Good luck. Talk to you soon.